Hey guys, what is going on? It's me Anafan and welcome back to Tech Chaply. This weekly video just starts with a productivity tip for you guys to make your Google Chrome look awesome. Today I'm gonna walk you through how to change your Google Chrome theme. So let's get started. Google Chrome is the most popular web browser on the internet. We all know this. However guys, don't only enjoy searching using Chrome. You can actually explore many tools, extensions, themes, and much more out there just right on your Chrome web browser. Do you want to turn on Chrome dark theme or dark mode for using at nights? Or you might want to change themes to boost your working motivations, or just make your personalized Chrome looks nicely. I will show you how these Chrome themes work. In a few clicks, your Google Chrome will have a new code. So without further ado, let's go there. Now, to change the Google Chrome theme, and I bet that you love it, just go into Chrome Webstore. The easiest way to do this is click on the Chrome Rubicon on the top left corner under the search bar. If you never discovered Chrome Webstore before, you will just feel like, whoa, wonderful. Why didn't I know there's even this great place? You will find a lot of extensions, themes, and tools for your preferences. Okay, let's go back to the changing themes topic. In Chrome Web Store, look on the left sidebar for the themes, then click on that. Whoa guys, welcome to the world of Google Chrome themes. On the top of the list, you will see a series of themes made by Chrome team. Well, it's classic, clean, slate, rosy designs. You can click on view all to see more, then choose for you the best one. For me, I love the sea foam and the oceanic themes. That's really cool, huh? Now, if you scroll down more on the list, you will see its topic related Chrome themes. For example, dark and black, space, exploration, minimalist, into the forest. The more you scroll, the more themes you will see. There are thousands of them. Just click on any theme guide. Here you will see the info about the theme developer on the top and rating and users of the theme. Click on add to Chrome to get the theme applied. You will see that the Chrome theme changed in just a few seconds. If you want to get more themes from the same developer, check out the scrolling bar at the bottom of the page. So we've talked a lot about themes and how to change themes on Google Chrome. Only one last tip that I want to mention here before the video gets timed out. You can use the Chrome dark theme instead of installing a Chrome dark mode extension. Just go into the dark theme list here and choose which one you like. That's it guys. That's how you're gonna change the Google Chrome theme. If you like this video, please leave me a like, drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.